A guest channel was demonetized today due to little mistake that she made. And this demonetization happened when she was just about to withdraw her earnings. Like she has worked so hard on this channel, and now that she has decided to withdraw her money, her channel was demonetized. Why? Because of just some little mistakes. So in this video today, I'll be showing you some of those mistakes so that you can actually avoid them in order for you not to fall into this, please, because it's so painful. So before we dive into the main topic of today, I remind your girl Sandy, and in this channel we all know that I teach you on how you can grow, how you can monetize, and how you can scale your YouTube channel to monetization level. So guys, let's dive straight into the main video of today. Now, actually, her channel was demonetized because of some things she did. If you go to the beginning of this my channel, like the videos I made from the beginning of this my channel, we all know this channel is a new channel. We have other monetized channel, but this particular one is a new channel. If you go to the videos I made from the beginning of this channel, then you get to understand that I've been teaching a lot about these things, how you can avoid mistakes in order for your channel not to be demonetized. Because a lot of people think that once they are monetized, okay, they can do whatever they want, they can do anything. No, YouTube is not like that, okay? So as you can see on my screen, you can see our earnings. These are our earnings, but actually the monetization just came. So let's quickly dive into some of the things she did that actually made this channel demonetized. Now, I've always told you people that I always advise people that if you want to grow your channel, you can go into reaction videos, which is what I actually do in this my channel. I believe we all know here. I do reaction videos in this my channel. And now the problem she had was she was doing reaction videos, but she was not reacting to those videos properly. And which I always tell you people that reacting to videos is not easy. Do not just think that, okay, you can just pick people's video and react to them just like that. No, there are rules. There are some rules you need to follow. So let me tell you, let's take for instance, for those people that are into reaction videos, this particular video is for you. So let's take for instance that you are into reaction videos just like me. Let me play one of my video for you guys to see.
I beg, as they see my face like this, not best for me. Now the
Hope
kind
you are
recipe
watching
when
the
we come
video.
to
You
see
can
these days.
see
And say
how
don't
I'm
pour it for
reacting to
roll.
this
That roll
video.
don't
Just
suffer.
take a look at
Wait till
it.
be this one. A
I'll play
mango.
it
I
for you
been a
guys to
waiting.
see.
Wait till you slice inside. Come carry grass. Come dice and put them for inside. If you not get grass, go bush.
Okay, guys, let's get back to what we were saying. Now, I believe you guys watch this my video and you see the way I'm reacting to videos. I react to food videos especially. That's what I'm based on. So the first thing I always tell you people, if you are reacting to videos, like if what you do is reaction videos on your channel, please concentrate on one particular thing. Let's take for instance my own channel. I did on reacting to um food videos, so like varieties of food videos, but most especially I'll say Chinese, Korea, and Japanese food videos. That's what I react to. Now you can see the way I'm reacting to these videos. The first thing you need to do, because recently I got to observe something. If I take somebody's video or somebody's food video and react to it like that, they will give me copyrights. But if I re-edit it, you see the way I edited this video and you see the way edited this one, they are far different. Now, the best one is this particular one. So if you edit your videos like this, you are not going to be getting copyrights no matter what. Your videos are going to be straight as if you were the one who made the video. So, and you can also observe the way I'm talking on that video. Some people, they will just put their picture there at the side of somebody's video. Sometimes they'll put their video, they might be nodding or they might just be demonstrating, but they are not talking. No, that's not the proper way for you to react to videos. This can actually hinder your monetization. Well, let me tell you, if you are doing it like that on your channel, you can actually get monetized, yes. But after some time, that particular channel might be demonetized. And this is what actually happened to this girl. She was not reacting to her videos properly. How can you just, let me take for instance, how can you take my video? The video I took time. to create. You take the videos, then you just put your own picture at the side. No, now it's not done. So YouTube sees it that you are not actually working. You are not doing anything there. You are just doing easy job and you expect to be paid for. So that is number one thing. But don't worry, in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to properly edit your videos. All what you just need is your InShot or your CapCut app, and you are good to go. So this is the proper way to react to videos for those that do reaction videos. Please react to your videos like this, and you are not going to be having any issue at all. So the other mistake that she made, the kind of video she was making was not actually made for kids, but she was putting them as made for kids. Now, let me tell you something. When you are uploading your videos, you are going to see where YouTube will ask you made for kids or not made for kids. Please always choose not made for kids. Do you know why? Because most of the videos we are making these days are not actually for kids. So always put not made for kids and make sure that that particular video, that kids are not involved in that video. If you are able to follow these two simple steps while you do reaction videos, you are not going to be having issues at all on your channel. Your channel is going to be growing well, so well. Your channel is not going to get demonetized. If you want to actually know what I'm talking about so well about reaction videos, I would say I'm queen of reaction videos, food reaction videos. Why? Because that's what I do. So for me to say I'm queen, meaning I actually know what I'm doing there. So if you want to actually understand what I'm telling you here in this my channel, just kindly go to this my channel, watch like one or two videos there, and you get to understand everything that I'm talking about. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. If you know you have not hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, please do, so that you always get new information from me on how you can grow your channel. So if you know you've not hit on the notification bell, please kindly do, so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I make a video, whenever I drop a post. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.